Hi Hans, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lucy, welcome, and today we're gonna talk skincare. My fiance asked me what you wanna do for Valentine's Day, and I said, oh, I wanna do shopping. So we went to Selfridges, and he spoiled my little self with new Foreo Fofo device. And because it was during the Valentine, they packed this in this beautiful box. And in addition, I got those lovely pink bath roses. So now I'm gonna go take off all my makeup, and when I come back, I'm gonna tell you everything about this little pink fella. Okay, so let's open this. Oh my, look at this, this is so cute. And of course, you know me, I had to get baby pink to match my UFO device. My family is growing. So this little guy retails for £79 and it comes in 7 different colors. And inside the box you have this. I don't know what it is. They say that you need to scratch this. So there's like a serial number under the silver coat. I don't know what it's for, but it's there. And of course you have the device, and this little fat dude is so adorable. Like, look at him. He literally looks like a fat dude taking pictures. Okay, before we start, few details about Fofo. So this is one of the Luna's family, so this device is meant for cleansing, and you have those silicone bristles over here, the soft one basically all over the device and the little firmer one on top. But what makes it different, this little guy measures your skin. So adorable! So those gold plates will measure condition of your skin, and you wonder how Fofo measure your skin? Well, I don't know, magic I guess? And then Fofo will adjust the settings according to your skin needs. And when I say gold, I mean 24 karat gold. And if you think that's bougie, there's limited edition Luna device that comes in this lovely deep purple shade with the gold base that retails for almost 1200. So you can use Fofo for your everyday cleaning routine or even to remove makeup, but before the first use you have to measure your skin. That's why I took everything off before. And for that we gonna use the Foreo app that you might already remember from my UFO device review, and I'm gonna link this video in the description down below so you can go and check it later if you haven't seen it. So we're gonna pair our Fofo. Oh my god, he's taking picture. And as always, app would tell you everything you need to do, so let's start.
Please hold the skin sensors to your right cheek. Measuring is in progress. You can now remove Luna. Now hold the skin sensors to your left cheek. Measuring is in progress. You can now remove Luna. This is your new personalized cleansing routine. It has been saved to your Luna Fofo.
So basically now you can start our cleansing routine, or if you want to know a little bit more about your skin condition, you can take a look into the app and it will tell you the age of your skin and the level of moisturizing. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little bit afraid to take a look at my phone right now because, as you probably already know, I was sick for over a week, so I'm 100% sure my skin is super dehydrated. But let's have a look. How did you just call me? I'm leaving. Bye! So basically, app just told me that I'm old and ugly. Like, literally, look at this. It says here, old and ugly, die already. No, I'm just kidding. App will tell you that your skin condition is under or over your real age. And I'm not gonna share my age here. Not on this channel. But that's a good thing because you can measure your progress with your skin routine and you're gonna see which product works for you and what doesn't. And oh my god, I just had a great idea. Like, because you can measure your skin condition how often you want. Whenever I'm gonna do like a skincare video, I can measure my skin before and after and tell you guys if the product I'm testing is really working or not. I'm gonna have some scientific proof on my phone. Mind blown. Thank you, Foreo. Okay, enough of the chit chat. Let's put this to work. Unfortunately, I don't have any fancy bathroom that I can take you with me to make this cleansing routine. So I have a bowl of warm water in front of me, and now I'm gonna put a little bit of Glam Glow Gentle Bubble on my Fofo. Oh my god, this is so relaxing, already love it. As you can hear, it's changing its settings as it goes, so I'm guessing I should probably do it part by part. Well, maybe next time. And that's it, we are done! And now my skin feels so clean and so soft, and because you have those silicone bristles and the sonic vibrations, you are getting rid of any impurities that might clog your pores, and this is the best way to prevent any breakout spots or to clean your skin from your dead cells. And that way any serum, mask, cream, whatever you want to use it right now, it's gonna work a little bit better because it's gonna penetrate your skin a little bit deeper. And now I'm gonna go with my Star Skin Eye Mask. I haven't used this one yet. Okay, if lace eye mask isn't bougie, I don't know what is. Okay, let's get back to Fofo and my final thoughts. Well, I was wondering what Fofo means. I was googling it and I found few options. Some of the sources say that it means cute, cuddly, and some of them say it means Buddha. But I think that both of this can be correct because look at him. He is so damn cute and cuddly, and he basically looks like a baby Buddha on vacation taking pictures. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I've tried few of the Clarisonic like cleaning devices, and I must say I prefer the silicone guy so much more. I think it goes on your skin more gently and at the same time it's giving you this pleasant massage feeling. So no wonder that Luna actually put the Foreo on the map, and the Luna range is growing. You have Luna 1, Luna 2, Luna Mini, Luna Travel, and now you have the Luna Fofo. So basically you can find device that's gonna suit your need best. But if you're not sure if this kind of device is something that you wanna use, I would recommend for you to go and grab Luna Travel because it's the cheapest one from this whole range. But at the same time, of course, it has limited options and limited strength. And for me, the most interesting one is Luna Fofo. Well, obviously, because I bought it. And I've chose this one because it can measure your skin and adjust settings to your skin needs. And it's battery operated. It goes on AAA batteries, and according to the producer, on one set of the batteries you get around 400 uses, so it's a lot. So if you're gonna use it every day, it's gonna last you for over a year, and then you just change your batteries and use it and use it and use it. And I think that it has. Now I'm gonna grab my UFO device and I'm gonna do Make My Day treatment. But before I go, I just wanna remind you about my giveaway. All the details are in my Chinese New Year video. I'm gonna link this in the description down below if you wanna participate and win some nice prizes. And as always, thank you for being here with me and see you on the next one. Bye!